Today, bringing you guys, this is my first time a vlog, fishing. I might do these more often. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my rod to reel. Okay. Hard to cord. Okay. Alright, I got it. Okay. So I'm getting some bites. I'm with my brother. Just trying to catch anything really. Show you my bobber. It's really hard. Yeah. Just trying to catch bluegill or anything really. Let's just see if we catch anything, because I really want to catch something. And yeah. Okay. We're at Sqare Park right now. Getting any bites. Oh, you got a bite. Oh, you got another bite. This is really hard to freaking. How am I supposed to do this? I should have a GoPro. I can't.
That's a bass. Well, no, it's not.
Oh, you got a bluegill. Yeah. Woo.
First one of the day.
Let's go. Put him on. Oh. Got one with a worm and a bobber. Go show it to my grandpa.
This is a bluegill, right?
Yeah.
Oh, he has nice colors. Yeah. First fish of the day. Put him over here. Really nice. Yeah. Now release him back to lake.
Nice release. You know, we're gonna get the nice release.
There he goes.
I cleaned it.
Okay, let's just see what we can catch. He's really bad. Oh my god.
Right away?
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay. Hey, right here is gonna be a what do you call that? Bass?
Gabby, can you record?
Why?
I want to catch a fish. It's really hard to freaking record.
Oh crap! My bad.
What?
Oh no, something struck it. I missed it. I reeled it in right when you got it. Watch.
Oh, but you don't have for the bass, right?
It's really hard to freaking fish like this.
Yeah.
There.
No, not on there.
I'm trying to.
Damn it! I don't know what that was.
Really struggling. Can you record, please? Because I can't.
Dude, come on, you're a YouTuber.
Dude, I am a YouTuber, but like, it's really hard to.
Where do you have all the bait?
Jeez.
The one that you put on the
Okay.
freezer.
I'm in the. Just casted it in the lake.
Oh, mackerel?
The mackerel.
In the freezer? The one in the garage? Yeah.
No bites yet. Oh yeah, I got some bites. Okay,
Yeah. I like it.
oh, dang it.
Alright, let's move back. Let's see where we get.
Well, can you record? Because I really want to catch a fish, and it's really hard to catch a fish like this. What? Are you serious? Fight me?
Okay, I got here. I'll do it. Do it where I caught it. You don't even gotta use one hand, man. Fine.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, come on over here. It's a beautiful day. Actually, it's kind of hard.
Where'd you catch him at right here?
No, like right there.
Jesus.
Alright guys, we're gonna end the vlog right there.
Wait, why?
We'll make another one.